The rear bearing is completely damaged. Basically, it managed also to damage a little bit the brake disc over here and over here in this area. So I have to take it to the service by the platform actually.
Nu se trebuie să încălzim. Dându-i în apă de sudură, se încălzește.
The side of the bearing was totally stitched by the inside of the wheel. Taking it out was quite a challenge.
Nu e neapărat. Este că muncești de ani sau...
The rear bearing kit contains 3 bearings, 2 seam ring and 1 O-ring, and basically 2 of them they were okay. Was the third bearing. This is exposed only when accelerating, and it's on the rear sprocket. As you can see, everything is totally... Da.
Da, vină că asta e... Nu știu, stai să mă duc și eu pe poziție. Cred că un pic mai spate trebuie.
This part was barely detached from the axle of the wheel, only through welding method. Otherwise, it's totally was sticked actually to the interior of the wheel. And this is mainly the assemble, the rear bearings. After this procedure, they look one, it's totally damaged, completely damaged, the one from the right side. This one, it's the one from the left side, and this is the one which goes a little bit inside, the second one, the middle one, and everything is totally destroyed. So 40,000 kilometers. But I don't recommend running so much in this condition, of course. Another issue could be that the handbrake was too tight or was pressing on the rear disc. The handbrake brake pads, they were totally wasted. At least one of it's totally wasted. The handbrake caliper was cleaned because it was stuck actually. Because the sliders, they were actually blocked and they have to be clean and greased. Everything is cleaned up and ready to go. 5,000 kilometers before, the rear wheel had an extremely low free play, so I've decided to ride it like this. In the last 2,000 kilometers, I've noticed also a sound after 130 kilometers per hour. The same free play was not advancing. As coming back from a road trip with just 180 kilometers to go, I've heard a metallic sound when accelerating and braking. It was basically the brake disc who touched the caliper. Actually the bearing was wasted. Kilometer by kilometer, I could sense the noise increasing until 50 kilometers to go when it totally broke off. Luckily, I've managed to get home and the next day transported the motorcycle to the workshop by platform. First of all, my advice will be not to do like me. Please don't wash the bike with a pressure hose, especially in the rear area, because it can really damage it very fast. Also, as soon as you have a free play, as soon as the wheel it's making noises, as soon as you hear strange noises when you brake, when you accelerate, especially on the rear side, please make sure that you take the measures in time and don't wake up like me after so many kilometers away from home with a totally wasted rear bearings, because you can actually make more damage to the bike and you will be forced to go with a platform to fix it. I really hope this was a useful video for you. Until next time, bye bye.